Audio Jungle.
So friends, I just reached OnePlus 6 Popup at South City Mall, Kolkata. Too much crowd here. This is a Tollywood film actress. This is the box of OnePlus 6. You can see here written the speed you need on the right side and left side. OnePlus 6 written. Back side you got the 64GB version written, and in downside you got the price and some basic info. Nothing else written in the box. So guys, this is the OnePlus 6, beautiful phone. This is a hands-on video, so I can describe the details of the phone. In left side you got the volume button, and right side you got the power button and the alert slider. Back side you got the dual rear camera, 20 megapixel plus 16 megapixel, fingerprint sensor and flash. Upper side you got the microphone, and at down side you got the USB type C port, headphone jack, speaker and secondary microphone. This is the notification panel of the OnePlus 6. This is near stock Android design. Here you got the NFC 2 with this phone. Let's go to settings. This is the settings interface of OnePlus 6. Very much common like stock Android. Let's go to about phone. You can see this is running on Oxygen OS. This is 128GB version. Android version is 8.1.0 audio. You can use the Android P beta also if you want. So guys, this is the camera interface of OnePlus 6. This is the video actually. Let's go to photo. This is the photo mode. There is also one portrait mode and one pro mode for better pictures. This is the front camera, 16 megapixel. And this is the video mode. You can shoot full HD video at front camera and 4K 60 fps video at back camera. So this is amazing, and you can also shoot 480p 480 frame per second HD slow motion videos. This is the menu of the OnePlus 6. Let's go to settings again. Settings menu is very common like stock Android. This is the alert slider options. You have some gestures too. This is some gestures from OnePlus for OnePlus 6, like iPhone 10 gestures. You can hide the buttons and use this gesture for your day-to-day use. This is the battery settings. Here we go to storage, and out of 128GB you got 116GB free when you boot up your phone. This is common things you got any other Android device. There is face unlock present too, and it works really fast but uses the camera, so I think there should be some problem at low light. There is some advanced option in OnePlus 6. You can see this is common options. You can get another phone too. So guys, this is the settings menu of OnePlus 6. This is a hands-on video, so I can't describe or review anything more, but I showed everything. at shot. So guys, this is the camera mode. Thank you for watching this video guys. So this is the OnePlus 6 hands-on video. If you like the video, please like it and share it and subscribe the channel. Comment about this phone, what you like and what did you dislike about this phone. Thanks for watching.